Let's continue learning about Pepeke Henua. If you haven't already done so, please watch my first Pepeke Henua video. As you know, the Pepeke Henua is used to show where someone or something is, and we build the sentence using the po'o, piko, and ave metaphor. We can also use the Pepeke Henua to show where someone is not. Here is an example of a Pepeke Henua sentence showing where someone isn't. The man is not in Waikiki. Which is sad when you know that Waikiki means spouting water, a reference to the rivers and springs that flowed into the area. It is said that in the 1400s, Chief Kalamakua designed an irrigation system to take advantage of Waikiki's waters. Fish ponds were built and taro patches planted. Now the land is filled in and buried under hotels. Back to our Pepeke Henua. Keeping our octopus metaphor in mind, remember that the po'o begins every sentence. For the negative Pepeke Henua, the po'o is the word ʻAʻole. The piko is the subject or main character of the sentence. In the sentence, the man is the piko. Let's insert the man in the piko column, ke kane. The location is placed in the ave column. Where is the man not in? He is not in Waikiki. In the phrase in Waikiki, the ave is the word in, which translates as e or ma. Remember, there is no difference between e or ma. It is used interchangeably. Now all we have to do is insert Waikiki. A'oia, the man is not in Waikiki. ʻAʻole ke kane I Waikiki. ʻAʻole ke kane ma Waikiki.